So ito na mga boss, Ira. Kung may extra time ka at sa tingin mo exciting to boss, samahan mo ko review natin to. Let's go! So ito na nga mga boss, no, Ira. At mga boss, lalaroin natin mamaya to, pero dito muna tayo sa website nila guys, no. As you can see, the website design is so good. It's a play to earn. It's fun to earn. And guys, okay, kumikita ka na Ira token dito na e-exchange mo. Okay, Ira token. Ngayon mga boss, titingnan ninyo, yan yung mga NFTs guys. Tingnan mo naman yung design. Napakalupit, and you can buy them already if you are interested in this project guys, no. So, as you can see, the project type is so good. And you can choose mga boss kung Inferno, Academy Mysteria, lupit nito, grabe. So you can click buy now mga boss, no? Kung interesado ka dito, re-react ka sa marketplace and you can buy already guys as long as you are registered. So madali lang naman mag-register, email lang at MetaMask nyo lang yung connect nyo dito. Ayan yung mga presyo, may 1,000, may 150. So isort nyo lang yan, no? Sort nyo lang common, rare, epic, legendary, kung anong gusto ninyo, anong prefer ninyo, at pwede nyo price low to high para makita ninyo. Ayan, may mga tag $30 mga boss, kaso siyempre mas mahina yung mga yan. So discard nyo na yan. So, meron din rock. Okay, rock. Kapit nito, legendary, no? Ito si Sharma, legendary ng Pirate Bay. HSI at Empire of Light. Tapos ito yung mga iba't ibang ano nila, no? So, common, ganito siya. Rare, naging ganito. Tapos epic, tapos legendary. So, tingnan natin. Ito yung maporma, itong sa Inferno. Common, Vastland. Tapos naging Incanaxstar. Halo. Tapos naging Uriel. Tapos naging Kratana. Tapos ito naman, Celesta. Naging Astara. Naging Narol. Naging Null. Tapos Seyna. Sakaster. Israel. So lupit na mga NFTs guys, no? And you can already buy directly here, no? You can just choose this and buy already guys. And as you can see guys, the Ira token, no, you will see in exchange trade Ira box. The trend is amazing guys, you can check the trend. But guys, I do believe this project is good for the long term, hindi lang pang short term mga boss, no. So pwede mo gamitin pang summon, synthesize, marketplace, P2E, and the roadmap is very detailed guys. As you can see, there will be, okay, a lot of implementations. Ira 7 on iOS and Android will be there. GOT token on DXCX. DAO establishes live competitive broadcasting platform guys, metaverse pa. Tapos Ira X second generation blockchain. Grabe, ang daming abangan dito. There's Binance NFT rin. So community driven, no, various esports, and the partners guys, as you can see, they are big companies. So as you can see guys, this is a massive play to earn project. The core gameplay is amazing guys. And guys, kung titingnan nyo yung mga NFTs talaga, sobrang lupit ng pagkakagawa, no? But before that guys, no, before everything else, let's review. Okay, tingnan muna natin yung white paper nila mga boss, para sure, no, just for us to be sure about this game guys. So meron pa pala mining camp, no? So pwede ko pa mine dito. Yan yung hash power na pwede mong kunin. Grabe guys, so hindi ka lang kumikita habang naglalaro ka, pwede ka pang mag-mine. So ang dami pwedeng gawin dito, no? Dahil pwedeng gawin sa kanilang website mga boss, no? So you can check the Reddit, the Discord, Telegram, Facebook guys. They are all here guys, no? They are all present guys, no? So let's review the white paper itself. So as you can see mga boss, yan yung game background, market overview. Nandito na DeFi system, no? So decentralized finance, play to earn NFT card game guys. And as you can see, ayan, no, 1,000 cards, 7 forces. So grabe yung pagkakagawa ng mga design. Kudos to the designer. So parang ganyan, no, ganyan siya. So kung mahilig ka sa mga card games and at the same time gusto mo yung mga NFTs na parang mga undead, humans, Inferno, mag-enjoy ka dito. So parang Magic the Gathering din siya na may pagka-Yu-Gi-Oh, no. So ganyan siya, no. So as you can see, the fighting is great. You can punch and you can cast skills as well. So there are a lot of interesting highlights in this white paper. You can check how to summon and everything else guys, no. So may common, rare, epic, legendary, Yan yung time gap guys, 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. So yun yung time gap ng pag-summon, no? May synthesize din dito, no, to get better NFT cards. So pwede mo level up, level 1 plus level 1 magiging level 2, 2 plus 2 magiging 3. Yan, no, total 4 cards needed. Take note nyo yan, no? So meron din continents dito. Yan, iba-iba. May Path of Truth, World Overlord, and may Token Economy. So guys, after natin makita lahat yun, tignan na natin yung game, no? I know you're excited about the game. So meron na akong account dito. Register lang, maglalagin na ako, no? Pero pag kayo mga boss, mag-register muna kayo bago kayo makalaro dito guys, no? Pero kumbaga dali lang naman eh. So ayan siya, no? So makikita niyo yung deck nyo dito guys. Ayan, no? Card library. You can create your deck. So you can build the deck, no? Save mo lang yan, tapos rakta na. So ngayon ko lang lalaro ito guys, ha, pero nagigets ko na. So ganito ka basic tong game na to, no? So ngayon pa lang nagigets ko na. Habang nagfa-find match guys, you can check this website, no? Sa lahat ng mga gustong kumita na malaki sa NFT, you can check danjocapitalmaster.com guys if you want to learn more about NFTs and para kumita kayo ng malaki sa NFTs, no? So hindi to para sa lahat ng mga gusto matuto lang to kumita ng malaki sa NFT. 10,000 pesos lang guys, pwede na kayo mag-enroll. Yan yung video account ko, Gcash, pwede react to Gcash or remittances mga boss. So lifetime access yan sa videos at meron tayong VIP group. So bukod sa VIP group, meron kayong mga cheat sheet, PDF file at recorded videos na mapapanood nyo. Isang NFT lang yan guys, mababawi nyo ganyan. So balik na tayo dito mga boss, no? So ganyan siya. So dinadrag mo, kailangan mo ng mana, no? So as you can see, 2 to. So 2 lang yung makakas mo. Ngayon ka lang na-realize. Pero shield pala yung kinakas ko. So ngayon ko lang nilalaro to, no mga boss. Punch! Ang lakas naman niya. So 3 na yung mana natin, makakas na natin to. Come on, talunin natin yan. Mukhang talo tong game na to mga boss, no? Nakikita ko pa lang. So ayan. May 6 pala, dati hinintay na natin. Anyway, oh, nag plus 1 yung attack na sa akin. Uy, may chance tayo mga boss. Bumabawi mga boss, bumabawi. Lagay natin to dito. Patay. Okay, nanalo pa tayo. Woo! Nanalo pa tayo mga boss. Kas lang tayo ng kas. Ay, wala na tayong mana. Okay. So, tingnan nyo yan mga boss. Nabaliktad pa ang laban. Akala nito So may mature na ngayon. Ano ba to? Deal 3 damage to one enemy. So hindi natin gagamitin yan. Kas na natin level 4 natin. Tsaka yung level 3. Para talunin na natin to. Itong Baler Danley. Nilaban niya si Danjo Capital mga boss. Nagkamali siya ng kalaban, no? So lalabanin mo ba naman si Danjo Capital Master mga boss, no? So okay, tapos na to. Try natin itong Meteor guys, no? Okay, let's use this. Tapos cast natin to dito. Tapos equip natin to dito. Punch. Tama yung Meteor. Boom! Boom! Patay ka. Galing naman. Hindi niya pinatake ng direkto yung sa gitna. Uy, mali. Wrong move siya doon. Dapat ginitnaan niya itong warrior niya. Kasi malakas yung sa gitna ako. 4 damage. Patay agad siya. Minsan nag-wrong move din yung kalaban. Diskarte rin to. Skill factor din. Okay, panalo. Easy game guys. So, this is a fun game guys. As you can see, meron ka level up. May mga rewards ka rin. You can find match. Guys, you can check the tour, Valiant Expedition. Once you reach level 4, level 5, yung rank match. So, yun yung kikita ka. And makita mo din yung rankings dito. So, yun yung mga top players, no? At yung marketplace. And if you're interested in this, guys, you can check my website, no? You can check danjocapitalmaster.com if you want to learn more about NFTs. So, if you want to master it, guys, danjocapitalmaster.com. If you want this game, guys, you can check out Era 7, one of the best games that I've ever played. So tingnan nyo na mga boss, ingat kayo. Pwede rin kayong bumili ng token nila in PancakeSwap, and you can check the trend as well. So if you're interested, you can, I understand this, just import it. And as you can see, it's on a 1 week basis mga boss, no? So ito yung support niya. Pero kung titignan mo sa 1 month, wala siya support, no? Nasa gitna siya na support at resistance. So nasa inyo na. So this is Danjo the Capital Master, your number 1 NFT coach. Ingat kayo mga boss.